Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll see how to use hard assertion and soft assertion in Selenium Java test. Before we start, first we need to understand what is assertions. Basically, assertions are used to validate whether the actual result matches with the expected result during the test execution. When we are developing a framework or any script, okay, in Selenium there are two types of assertion: hard assertions, also known as strict assertion, and soft assertions, also known as lenient assertions. So what is hard assertions? Okay, so if the hard assertion fails, the test execution stop at that point only. Okay, no further steps are executed. Okay, so here we can see it is useful when the subsequent steps depend on the current condition being true. Okay, in that case we can use the hard assertions. Okay. And soft assertions, or we can say lenient assertions. So when we have multiple conditions, okay, so and we don't want to stop the execution, in that case we can use the soft assertion. So here you can see test continuous execution even if the assertions fail. The multiple assertions can be executed and all failures will be reported at the end. Okay, so here you can see this is the two way we can use soft assertion and the hard assertion in Selenium JavaScript. So what we'll do, I'm going to log in to Eclipse. Okay, so this is the earlier project, Maven project we have created, and here, yeah, we simply launching the google.com. Okay, just we'll quickly check it whether the code is running or not. Yeah, so this is the code which we developed last demo. Yeah, so now this is the simply opening the browser, and yeah, here you can see application is launched successfully. Okay, so what I will do, I will just refactor the code, and in the same code we will use the hard assertion and the soft assertion. Okay, so here I'm just refactoring the code. I am putting the exception handling, try catch, sorry, catch exception. And here instead of google.com, we will quickly use this application, demo application. Okay, this is the just created for the demo purpose only. Okay, I'm just replacing this value. Okay, and instead of this driver dot quit, I kept last. Okay, or we can use the other annotation after class, we can use it. Okay, but I'm going to keep in the same test method. Okay, so now here you can see this is a simple test method. Okay, here we assign the driver, and here opening the demo.html, and we are just maximized, and this is the println statement, application is launched, but here we have not used the assertion. Okay, so if in case I need to use the assertion, so first what we'll do, we'll use the hard assertion. Okay, so what I will do before the quit, okay, so time being I'm going to use the thread.slip so that we'll understand. I will just put, okay, so here we can use hard assertion. So now I want to use the hello testing. Okay, so I want to put the assertions on the whether when I open demo.html application, okay, this word is there or not. So what I will do, I will just simply navigate, inspect the word hello testing b2. Okay, so just I will just mention, yeah, b2 is hello testing. Okay, I will just simply come here, driver dot find element dot xpath slash b2 and dot get text. Okay, using this get text I am getting the actual result. Okay, I will store in string variable actual. Okay, so my expected result is here only. Okay, So my expected result, I am going to mention string str expected. Okay, either you can hard code it or you can send this expected result through XLS file or CSV file. So for timing, I am going to use the hard code. Okay, so my expected is hello testing. I'm going to copy. Hello testing. Okay, we'll trim it. Okay, and here we can use the assert dot assert equals. Okay, here you can see there are different methods are available like boolean. Okay, assert equals. Okay, so I'm going to use the string. Here you can see integer is also there, float is also there. Okay, here I'm going to use the string actual and expected. Okay, string actual and string expected. Okay, so and after that, okay, so here I just simply for after assert, after hard assert, I'm going to mention this statement, and one statement I will put the before assert. Okay, so that we'll understand. Okay, before the hard assert. Okay, I would like to tell you one more things. There are different methods are there. Okay, we can use like assert equals are there. Then assert true is also there. Okay, like if you go down, then assert false is also there. Frequently we are using this method, assert false. Okay, assert list contains, assert not equal, we can also use that one. Okay, here you can see we can assert true. Okay, so these are the methods which we are frequently using. So as part of demos we are covering this one, assert equals. Okay, and here you can see, so right now if you see my assertion will meet. Okay, and my execution will not stop. Okay, condition becomes true and it will execute after hard assert. So I am going to simply run it. Okay, so now here you can see, yeah, application is launched. Okay, and now if you see here my before hard assert, after hard assert. Okay, it's executed since the criteria is met and my test got passed. Okay, suppose if here is the like some change is there, expected is a small t I am expecting. Okay, if I run, then definitely since this is a hard assertion, okay, so this step will execute. Okay, while these things, okay, it will fail it, then this the down steps after the hard assertion it's won't execute. So I'm going to execute it here. Okay, here you can see. Now if you open Eclipse, here you can see, yeah, the my before hard assertions executed, it's failed. Okay, assertion, and here you can see expected is a hello testing. Okay, here you can see t is a small. Okay, but actually we got the t in capital. That is reason assertion got failed and my next step is not executed. Okay, so this is the hard assertions. Okay, and my all executions got stopped. Okay, so this is the hard assertion. So now what we'll do, the same code will write in soft assertion. So what I will do, I am going to put same code hello testing. Okay, this is the hard assertion. I'm just putting hard assertion before hard assertion, and this is just for differentiation. Okay, and here I'm going to use the soft assertion. So how we'll do the soft assertion? For to define the soft assertion, we need to create an object soft assert. Okay, is equal to new soft assert. Okay, and here I am going to mention soft assert dot. Again, here we have different methods like assert equals, assert true, assert false, like similar like how we observe. Okay, assert not equal. Okay, so I am going to mention assert equals string the inside parameter. Here you can see str actual, str expected. Okay, here you can see I will use the same method, same variable, and like here you can see again I will put the statement to understand soft assertion. Soft assertion before soft assertion and after the soft assertion. After soft assertion. Okay, and here again I'm going to put the thread. Okay, so now here you can see, so soft assertions my condition will meet. Okay, it will execute it, so I'm going to just simply execute it. This is the valid flow. All the condition will true, then it will execute simply. Okay, here you can see. Now if you see the result, okay, soft assertion before soft assertion, after soft assertion is got executed. Okay, now what I will do, I am going to mention like here expected. Okay, I'm going to redefine here, and here I'm going to mention in small t. Okay, so now here you can see, since this is soft assertions, okay, so this step will also will execute, since my execution will not stop. So I'm going to simply run it. Here you can see. Okay, browser launched. Okay, here you can see application also launched. Okay, it's got executed, and here you can see, okay, soft assertion before start assertions executed this statement, after soft assertion also got executed, and if you see the result, my test got passed. Okay, so now here you can see, because of the soft assertions or lenient assertions, okay, my execution not stopped. Okay, but here you can see, since there is a discrepancy between the expected result. Okay, since I am expecting small t, okay, but it's written the, like if you see here it's written the capital T. Okay, so yeah, then this is a like discrepancy, so application should fail it. Okay, so in soft assertion what we need to do it, okay, at the end of this statement, okay, or at the end of the test, we need to mention assert all, dot assert all. Okay, so here the verification will happen with all the assertions. Okay, if any single assertions fail, our test case got will get failed. Okay, now here you can see, now I'm going to re-execute it. Okay, now here you can see this is small t we are expecting, but here is the capital T, then definitely execution will proceed. Okay, but result, it will display fail. Now if you see here, yeah, now we can see it. Okay, so before soft assertion this statement got executed, after soft assertions got executed. Earlier case our our test got pass. Okay, but here because of assert all it got failed, and here you can see the expected hello testing t is small but found capital T. Okay, now if you see TestNG result, it's got failed. Okay, so that way, in that way we can use the soft assertions and the hard assertion in the in our test script development. Okay. So like if in case you have any questions or query, please let me know. Thank you.